Okay, so let's have a look at the contamination software for the RH2000s. When I start the software, here we see this little menu called Contamination Analysis, and the software asks if we are using basically to go to the center of the XY stage. So I'm now doing this step. Okay, and now I put a filter under the microscope. There is a glass on it, so it can create a little bit of reflection. But with a diffuser, I got rid of most of the reflections. The first thing that we will do is go to the detection algorithm, and here we have the possibility to capture an image. And then I already played a bit to get the best result. So this is here what I loaded. So you can load, you can save and load different parameters for this. Here you can see a preview of the shading to make sure that the edges have no shadows. And then here you can do a preview of the binarization for the contamination. And you can do a preview of the metal objects. So I will go to another spot with a little bit less of metal particles. Okay, and now I can do preview. Here I can fine-tune the detection. For example, here and here. Okay. There are a lot of possibilities here to do it as a color, as a grayscale. You can also have several size, and here for the metal, you can also here have a look and here adjust the detection. So you will look at the white spots to get the best results, because the shiny white spots are the metal parts. And then you can add also some morphology and adjust a little bit. You can also select, for example, that everything below 3 micron will be not used, and then you can do a test analyze where we look on the screen and tell you here the length, the area, and so on. And if you are happy with it, you can go ahead and then save this or update an existing one. So here we'll do a new saving. Save, I will call it algorithm Emilien. I will add it here, and now I can exit. And we have also the possibility to choose the multifocus. If you want to do a series of images in a Z every time, you can also choose the statistic output, where you can select how many series, and here you choose from 0 to 10 and so on. Here, for example, I can use 0 to 3 maybe, and then select for the rest. But you can also use the area, diameter, and so on. And you can also say, okay, after like 15, you can go here to 15 to 20, and then here 20 to 30, 30 to 50, 70, 70 to 100, and then 100 to 150 to 200, and 200 to 300, for example. Okay, and so on. I'm not sure for this sample what makes here sense. So we'll just put 2000 and 2000, 3000, and then over 5000. Okay. Exit, and then here you can give it a name. So I will put here start 3 up to 5000, for example. Add, and then exit. And here I will then go to my scanning area. I will choose a circle, and here I will go to some edges, and I will set here this point. This point here, and it's a pretty big filter. This point, so here he found 200, he will need, we are now at 80 time magnification, he will need to do 200 scans, and because there is some edge which has no dirt, it's not using the entire filter. I calculated before something like 5 mm. I will choose here 4 mm out of security. And then save this. So if I choose 4 mm, you see now I will only do 144 objects, and then this will be my test sample video, and then I will add it, so later on I can use the same scanning again. So then I can exit, and then I can click on analyze, and here we have the algorithm Emilian. This will be the test sample video, stats up to 3 up to 5000. Here I can give the name, which is this one, 675991. The lot I don't know. This is my name, comment, test, and then I can click here on run. And now we can check if the focus is correct. Okay, and now the system will scan and then every time calculate.